how to use Square Website Builder full Square website tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Square Website Builder. So what is actually Square's website builder? Square isn't just for payments or anymore. In 2025 it offers a powerful drag and drop website builder perfect for small businesses, online stores, freelancers and restaurants, and it's fast, beginner friendly, and most importantly completely free to start. So let's build a full website together step by step from layout to launch. So first of all you have to search for squareup.com on your web browser, and it will take you to the official website of Square. And you have to just click on sign up or get started to sign up on the Squarespace. So first of all you have to give your email and a password, a strong password, and I agree to Square and click on create an account. So after that uh, it will take us to the dashboard. So tell us about your business and how business name and how is will identify you on emails, receipts and message to customers. So let's say the Rick's shop is my business name, and click on next. And what do you primarily sell at Rick's shop? So we'll select retail good, food, drink, health care services. So let's go with professional services. And after that, what's your annual revenue? This help us provide the best solution to your business less than 100k. And are you ready to take your first payment? Yes, let's take a payment. Get verified to take payments on. No, I want to explore. I'll just click on that, and after that it's taking us to the official dashboard of Square. And here, as you can see on the dashboard, we have to click online, then website, and let's get started. And you have to choose the site type. Already you have chosen that. And we have to choose how you'll fulfill orders, shipping, pickup or local delivery. Then we'll dropped into the Square website builder editor. We are on the editor right now, and the Square editor has three key panels, like you can see: the left panel, the middle canvas, and the top bar theme preview. Here, as you can see, theme preview, and on the each sections or panels, the sections, left panels are sections and panels, and middle canvas live preview of your site, and on the top are theme preview, publish and undo options. So let's just create a website from here. So for that we have to look for the website builder, click on online, click on online store, and here we will see that interface where we can build our website. So start your site, bring the power of Square. So it's taking us to the website builder now. So we'll just, how will customers get their orders, like shipping, pickup, in-house delivery? None of this apply to me. Oh, we'll just shipping, in-house delivery, none of this apply to me. Okay, just a second while we build your store. They're already building my store. Just a second while we build your store. So now it's built my store. 14 days free. just have to click on continue and get back. So from here we'll click on see plans, and after that we'll have to select the free one. So after that it will take us to our store they have just built, and as you can see, here is the store and like overview and stuff. The squares editor has 3 key panels on the left side, section and pages, and on the middle section live preview of our site. And we can select theme from the top bar and preview site preview, and top bar we can also publish it from here. So let's just customize our home page. So we have to click on home page to customize the stuff. Rick's shop, okay, online home page, balance, and let's just first select a theme. We'll just select a simple theme for our website. Let's just go with this one. Okay, it's a paid theme. We have to select a free theme for our store. Upgrade, 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 upgrade. Free basic site. Upgrade. All themes. It's telling me to upgrade. Free basic site. Let's go with this one. And the theme we've chosen, it's a free theme, and we'll just customize it. Get a custom domain. We can just edit this one. So first of all we will click on home page. Now start editing blocks. We can change the banner image or video like this one, banner image or video. So we can just upload a image, cancel, custom color, gradient, image. If we want to replace the image, okay, from here you can replace the image. You can change the banner image or video from here. You can add a headline like this one, the header. You can just click on here and write whatever you want to as your header. And you can also add a headline like welcome to Daisy's craft shop or something like this, welcome to Rick's shop. Let's write it, welcome to Rick's shop. Okay, and you can insert a call to action button like shop now or book now from here, from the service list. You can just okay, we'll just reload and see if it works. And let's just wait while it's reloading, and service list it's not showing. So you can also insert a call to action button like as I've already shown you, and you can use the add section button to insert. You can use add section button to insert. Insert image galleries, testimonials, test blogs, and email signups. Each section has drag and drop settings for layout, font, uh, color, and alignment. You can click on page in the left panel to add about, contact, FAQ, blog, and blog is the optional. So each page uses the same drag and drop editor for contact pages. You can use Square's built-in form builder to collect names, emails, and messages. You can set any page as the home page or add it to the navigation menu. You can click on the shop or items tab and click add new item. Click new item. You can fill out with product name, description, price, upload multiple images, select inventory levels, add product variants. You can organize items into categories. You can also candles or digital products, and can set tax and shipping rules under settings or sale. You can also add section from here, and you can also style your website on the theme settings. So for that you have to click on theme tab on the top. You can also style your website theme setting. I've already shown you that, like customize font style, button colors, section spacing, background photo, video, or solid colors. And now let's get on setting up navigation and footer. Your navigation bar is crucial for users. Use the navigation setting to add links to pages. So for that you have to go to the site design. uh, this is the theme, navigation settings, done. Navigations, view page settings, SEO, social. And you can use the navigation setting to add links to pages. You can link to internal pages. You can also link internal pages, external websites, email addresses, or phone numbers. For your footer, you can add social media icons. When you go to the footer options, you can add social media icons. Um, you can use the logo, social media icons. You can just add social medias, and you can just click on connects. You can include a newsletter sign up. You can show payment logos like Visa, Apple Pay, etc. Add legal links like privacy policy and returns. You can set up payments after that. Like you can see here the payment methods. You can set up the payment methods. uh, you can also keep some tipping options, donation settings, promo codes for discount campaigns. And after that we have to do this SEO and domain settings. So for that we have to click on website settings, and here you can see the general and the SEO section. Site title, you have to give the site title and favicon, meta description for SEO, and social sharing images. You can add images here, and images here, and click on same as SEO title page. And for setting an email domain or your personal domain, use a free Square domain like your square.site, or buy a custom domain through with Square. And you can connect a domain you already own. You can use Google Search Console for SEO indexing. And after that, if you are a service provider, you can add booking section booking section, and set up pickup and delivery zones, customize delivery fees and times, show menus as items list or grids. It's all integrated with Square's POS and inventory. And finally, you can just click on the preview to before publishing. You can test your site on mobile and desktop. As you can see, this is the desktop variant and this is the mobile variant, and review the checkout flow. And after that, proofread content and double check product links, then hit publish, and your Square site is now live. You can manage order, customers and inventory from the Square dashboard or mobile app. So let me give you some bonus tips. And you can enable live chat using tools like Tidio or Drift. You can offer subscription or memberships using recurring items, and you can connect to Google Analytics for detailed traffic reports. You can use abandoned cart emails to recover missed sales, and you can run email marketing campaigns directly from your Square dashboard. So that's it for this video. Hope you find this video informative, and be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and see you on the next one.